Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon bits. First, select your preferred bacon. Both thick cut and regular slices work wonderfully. Next, lay the bacon flat on a cutting board and slice it into small, consistent pieces, aiming for about 1/4 to 1/2 inch squares. Uniformity is key here, as it ensures every piece cooks evenly, giving you perfectly crispy bits. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Now, let's get cooking. Place your cut bacon pieces into a large skillet over medium heat. As the bacon begins to cook, stir it frequently. This helps prevent the pieces from sticking together and ensures they brown evenly on all sides. Continue cooking until the bacon reaches a deep golden brown color and becomes wonderfully crispy. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your heat and bacon thickness. Once your bacon bits are perfectly crispy, it's time to drain them. Carefully remove the cooked pieces from the skillet using a slotted spoon, leaving the rendered fat behind. Transfer the hot bacon bits onto a plate generously lined with paper towels. This step is crucial for absorbing any excess grease, ensuring your bits are as crisp as possible. Let them cool completely for about 15 minutes before moving to the next step. After the bacon bits have cooled completely, they'll be firm and easy to handle. Gently crush them with your fingers or the back of a spoon to achieve your desired size and texture. For storage, place your delicious homemade bacon bits in an airtight container. They will stay fresh and crispy for up to 5 days, ready to elevate any dish. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.